NewBQ.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and tonight we're cooking burgers with the boys. Tell the boys. The boy? Okay. Yeah, he doesn't want to wait. All right, we're going to cook some burgers. We got the charcoal started. We got some burgers here laid out. We're going to cook on the old charcoal with the old Weber grill, the old Weber kettle grill. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna take each one of these. Take it off. Jackson, take this. You're gonna set it on right there. Oh, careful, don't drop it. Set it right here.
Just put it over.
There you go. Just like that. Max, get one. We'll throw a couple more here. Just so I can reach this side. Here, throw it. Okay, that'll work. Throw another one right here in between them. Here, Jackson. No, you can't throw them on top of each other, though. Just like that. Ooh. Okay, let's do it over here.
Dad, you got burned.
Yeah, I'm about to burn myself. Here, don't put it on the hot side. Put it on this side. Here, I can reach it over here, though. I'm sorry. I know you're not quite tall enough here. I'll get it.
Put that on there. Just like, good.
We want to put them over here where they're not on top of each other.
Where should I?
Put it right here. Okay. Come here. Set. Shoot, we almost ran out of room, didn't we?
What's it?
Let's see if I can move this one over. Hot.
You touch it?
Yeah, I touched it.
Ow.
Okay, tried to keep them off of each other, but it didn't really work out too well. All right. Put them on.
Actually.
Like that. Now I'm sweating up a storm. It's very hot. Okay, so you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we're not going to quite flip yet. Okay, I'm going to take this off. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to rotate this so it's above the heat. Okay? And then we're going to put it back on for just a couple minutes. And then we're going to flip it back and then we'll flip it. Rotate it back and flip it.
Flip it too.
You can flip it too? Alright, well I got enough flippers here. We can do that. You can learn how to flip one.
I want that.
No, you can have one. It's fine. Look, I even got a short one for you. A short flipper. Okay. Alright. So we'll come back in a minute. Alright. Pull them off there, sir. Okay, now we're gonna rotate them around. Okay, now we're gonna flip them. Max, you gotta go from this way because you don't want to go across the line there. So you're gonna help me out, okay? I'm gonna help you because it's gonna be a little tricky. Scoot it over. Oh, we almost got two of them there. Woo! That kind of worked.
Yeah.
All right, slide it back. There you go. Okay, next one, ready?
I can't get mine.
Slide it.
Come over here. Come over here. And take it and go.
Okay. Look, slide it.
Okay.
You slide it. Hey, slide it. Right there.
Okay, I guess I kind of.
Let's just flip it like that. Here, now, right.
Sharp.
Roll
Go.
away from you.
There you go. Good job.
Get a bag over here. Get that one over here.
Sharp. Sharp. There you go.
Now use your other hand.
Good job.
Use this hand. Okay. I don't touch it. Okay. You get that one? You flip it?
Good job.
Oh, perfect, man. See if you can do that one. You got it now.
You won't be able to get that one.
No, Jason, look at this one.
You'll have to come from this side,
Go
Max.
from this way. You gotta go this way.
Ready? Go.
Let him get it.
Shoot.
Yay! There we go. Okay, now we're gonna take these.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot on that side, isn't it? Okay.
Over here.
Now, watch out, watch out. Don't burn yourself. Okay, roll them back around. Put the lid back on her.
Alright.
There we go. Your first official flip, buddy.
Woo!
You flipped a burger.
Woo!
After Chris showed me. Woo!
The noises are the best. Okay, so rotate it over here. We're not on top of the heat. Okay, start flipping. You gotta keep them in the grill, Jackson. You keep them on this side. Hey, you gotta scoot it back to this side. There you go. That'll work. Okay.
Help make this one.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, Dad, it's just kind of.
Don't cut into it. There you go. Okay. Flip it.
Ooh, that was hot.
Oop, got it. Look at that. Okay, do this one. You gotta be careful because otherwise, like what you're doing there, you're just about to tear it up.
Put it down.
Ow!
Alright.
Dude, it's not a race.
You
Not
can't.
a race, boys.
Alright.
Okay, That's it. That's all. That's all these.
What about that? I was like, what's that color?
Did you flip it? Flip. No.
I still see the lines on it.
Well, it was already flipped once. All right, boys. We're gonna rotate it back again.
And that's
Just like this. Just like that.
Woo!
Actually, here, let's move a couple of these down.
I got two flips. Dude, more like 3 official flips. Look, I've got like 10.
There we go. All right, that'll work. Put the lid back on it.
Woo!
Hopefully, we'll be getting closer any moment. All right, we're gonna spin them off. Okay, now we're not going to flip them, but we are going to separate them out just a little bit.
And then
That way we can put the cheese on. Yeah, smart kid, aren't you?
I like how Chris is just standing there.
Chris is the cameraman, Mr. Cameraman Chris.
Doing a great job.
Doing a bang-up job over there. All right, now.
Chris earns 1 more extra burger.
Who wants to help put cheese on?
Me!
Okay, put cheese on piece. Put cheese on piece. Give it over just a little bit more. There we go.
Oh, that's hot.
Yep.
And then we'll have 1 burger without cheese.
Yep. All right, good job. Cheese. There you go. There you go. This one.
We need 1 more.
Nope, that's all we need. Because Shaylee didn't want cheese on hers.
I feel like I just burned my hand off.
Okay, so let's put the lid back on it. Let that cheese melt. Okay, we're gonna take these off, but you gotta be real careful because we gotta put them on the pan. Okay, so here. Now, you gotta do it from this side. Remember?
Yeah.
Remember with the way the lines are. Here, you know what? It'll make it easier. We just turn this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it won't really work with you. Oh, I just messed that one up too, didn't I? Yeah, dang it. That's all right. All right, try to get them off now. Error. You gotta get down on it. Boom. Just like that, and we're just gonna slide it off. Okay. Okay, do the next one.
It doesn't want to come out.
I know. I got you.
1.
You gotta get it on there, bro. There. Ow!
Dad, you want
Okay, get there to the next one.
Dad, you want help?
No, you got it.
There you go.
Oh, my God.
Oh, you knocked the cheese off of that one. So you gotta be careful you're not knocking the cheese off. But I think you're doing all right.
Don't get bone, Max.
Okay,
I think
get
got bone on one.
Next one. Woo! And that one's off. We'll get Shaylee's off here.
Keep helping me.
Oh no, man.
Alright, I
There
tried.
you go. All right.
Yeah.
You gonna get it?
Yeah, sure.
Don't. Yeah, there you go. There you go. All right, buddy. I'm getting this. I'm gonna scratch her off a little here. We will get this sucker cleaned up, and we'll go eat some food. What do you think about that?
Yum.
You guys ready to try these burgers?
Yeah.
All right, let's clean her up. All right, guys, that is it for us. That is it for the backyard burgers with the boys. Just something different. I wanted them to kind of learn how to be around a grill, how it's so hot that they don't want to touch it, that kind of thing. I think you learned your lesson, right? Anyway, they loved it. We're going to go eat these burgers, so we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I want to say a big shout out to Chris. Thanks, right? All right. Max is back there. And don't forget to check me out on Facebook at NewBQ2020, Instagram NewBQ2020. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.
Bye.